How to make a close friend story on Instagram. To get started, first of all, open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Instagram homepage. On this page, go to the top left corner and tap on your story. Now, tap on Add to your story. Here, you can add pictures and videos from your camera roll to your story. You can also take pictures or videos to add to your story by tapping on the camera icon. Tap on a picture from your camera roll. Once you're here, go to the bottom and tap on the Close Friends button. Here, you can choose the friends that you want to add to your close friends list on Instagram. Only people on your close friends list will be able to see the stories that you put on your close friends. Choose the friends you want and then tap on Share. You have now successfully shared the story with your close friends on Instagram. Following these steps, you can easily make a close friend story on Instagram.